GainPeace, I would just say thank you for being so welcoming, and it was wonderful to be welcomed into your mosque and to meet everybody.
Yeah, it was nice to learn more about everything you're doing, and thank you for inviting us.
I learned the Muslims have a rich and a very deep history that is often overlooked over our own and should be recognized, and how smart everyone is, and very welcoming and generous and compassionate. I like the compassion.
I love the mosque. I think the presentations were very professional. They were very clean, concise, and crisp messages to clarify what being a Muslim is. I think all the people were very open, and I think that if everybody came here to see what the mosque was about, they'd be so much better, and it's so beneficial. Coming with an open heart and an open mind is very important these days, and the message was given by the Imam, the Hafiz, and his prayer. It's just amazing. So I'm so thankful that I was able to come today and learn more.